How to get Peacock on Spectrum in 2025. I tried getting Peacock on Spectrum in 2025 and here's how it worked. First, Peacock isn't automatically included in every Spectrum plan, but if you have Spectrum TV or internet, you might qualify for a free or discounted Peacock premium subscription. You just go to the Peacock website, click sign in, and then choose Spectrum under link provider option. Log in using your Spectrum credentials and follow the prompts. It'll either activate your free offer or let you know what's available for your plan. If there's no deal tied to your account, you can still add Peacock as a paid service, but linking it through Spectrum might still save you a few bucks. Once it's linked, you can watch via the Peacock app on any device, smart TV, phone, or browser. Just remember, the offer might need to be renewed yearly, so check the terms once it's set up.